The fire suppression system components, including these high-pressure cylinders, are undergoing initial dimensional checks by the
Check the tolerance on Boss 5. We're showing green across the board.
Confirmed. All specs met.
Data coming through clearly on the stringers.
Waveform looks stable. Fatigue resistance confirmed.
Here we see the routing decision visualization in action. The troop door takes the left conveyor to process A.
Initiating fire suppression sequence simulation now.
Confirmed. ECU responding. Bypass active.
The manipulator moves the process sequence A door assembly. The process B fire muzzers must wait.
The precision robotic manipulator gently lifts the heavy troop paratroop door, ensuring perfect orientation before moving it slowly toward the fuselage opening.
Check the gap tolerance right here at the forward seal.
Reading within spec. Looks good across the board.
The main electrical harness is connected, followed by a meticulous borescope inspection to ensure flawless integration with the aircraft systems.
The troop paratroop door assembly cycles through its full operational sequence. Unlock, open rapidly, pause, and
Verifying the integrity of the firing circuit now. As you can see on the multimeter, we have a clear continuity reading.
Watch the rigging on your side. Clear. Okay, push it home. Perfect fit.
The completed troop paratroop door assembly is covered with a custom-fitted protective plastic sheeting. This preservation measure
Ready on the lift. Clear on this side. Set it down slowly.
Ensure that sensor is flush with the paneling.
Roger that. Checking alignment now.
Retention straps secured.
High pressure bottles confirmed, stable in cradles.
This final physical check ensures the extinguishing agent will be distributed correctly in the event of a cargo fire.
ECU integration test commencing on the MFD.
Reading confirmed pressure on all cylinders. System status is fully nominal.
The fire suppression placards for Process B are fully affixed and logged.
Confirmed. Ensure the next bay is completed by 1600 hour.
Warning, warning, cargo fire.
Warning, warning, cargo fire.
Okay, tripping the fire suppression main.
Isolation confirmed. Resetting now. System check is nominal.
A master gauge, traceable to international standards, is temporarily connected to the manifold system.
Area clear. All tools accounted for. Roger that. Final sweep complete.
The access panel, protecting the electronic control unit for the fire suppression system, is secured with tamper-proof seals.
The vibration sensor confirms the mounting assembly can absorb extreme turbulence, guaranteeing the integrity of the fire suppression system.
That's the last of the Process A protection.
Confirmed. Process A is complete and secured. Ready for the next phase.
A final check confirms the high-pressure cylinders are fully charged and the actuators armed.
All right, keep it slow coming out of the bay. Watch the starboard wingtip.
Copy that. Steady pace.
Forward cargo bay suppression systems, negative defects, ready for departure.
Hold it right there. We're clear on the manifold. Copy that. Bringing up the net. Start ratcheting.
Forward cargo bay suppression system operational. Green across the board.
Confirming fire warning. Forward cargo bay. Preparing to discharge suppression system. Stand by for agent release.
The C-17 Globemaster III descends smoothly, landing at a
Pressure holding steady in the green. Process B confirmed. Verified. Logging the data now.
Assuring operational security, this fully compliant, mission-ready aircraft represents the success of the manufacturing pipeline.